All right, let's look at our family of in the 80s, our 80s numbers. Let's break down 86. When we expand 86 and we're really stretching it out, we can see that 80 plus 6 equals 86. And this is going to help you when you get into adding larger numbers. If we were to expand 82, we would stretch it out and it would be 80 plus 2. What do you think 85 would be? Yeah, 80 plus 5. And if we stretched out 80 plus 8, and then we put them together in standard form, it would be 88. So 80 plus 8 is 88. 8 tens, 8 ones. Ooh. What would 89 be? 80 plus 9. 8 tens, 9 ones. 89. Stretch out 87. 8 tens and 7 ones. What about 81? 1 more than 80 is 81, so 80 plus 1. And 3 more than 80 is 83, so 80 plus 3. And our last one is 4 more than 80 is 84. So let's look at our problem today. Yosef and Theo are going to help us out today. So Yosef had 67 books in his home. Wow, in his house. Theo had 52 books in his house. How many fewer books did Theo have? So let's think about, in my mind, I see, I know, and I'm trying to figure out. What do you see in your mind? What are the books that Yosef has? What kind of books does he like to read? What kind of books do Theo like to read? All right, and what do we know? We know that Yosef has 67. That's his total. And we know that Theo has 52. That's his total. We're trying to figure out the difference. So this problem's a little bit different because it says how many fewer books. This is this keyword here, fewer. So we're figuring out basically how many more does Yosef have or how many less does Theo have, the difference between them. So when we talk about the word difference, we're talking about subtraction. So let's look how we might solve this problem using our score of 4. Let's start off with our picture. Helps us organize our thoughts. So we have, there are books, right? And we know we start with 67. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. 67. Now, am I going to add 52 more? No, sometimes we just automatically want to go to adding, but we have to pay attention to the language. So we have this word fewer, so we're taking that away to find the difference. How many more or how many left, that comparison. So we're taking away 52. Let's start with our 5 tens. Let's take away 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now let's take away our ones. 2 ones. 1, 2. So how many more do Yosef have, books does Yosef have, or how many fewer does Theo have? So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're saying that if we take 67 minus 52, you get 15. And we always want to check our work. So we would say 6 tens minus 5 tens equals 1 10. 7 ones minus 2 ones equals 5 ones. So we could say that Theo has 15 fewer books than Theo, than Yosef. Yosef, period. Nice job. All right, thanks for helping me solve that, friend.